Well guys, it's a little on the windy side, so hopefully you can hear me, but I'm going to start running some brake line. It's, well, I guess it was a nice day out. Just waiting for the sun to come back out. But I've got my, what is it, 3/16? Yeah, I think. And then 1/4 inch. This is going from the master to the back there. Got my flex line there. So this will be running to either wheel cylinder, and yeah, I guess there's nothing much left to do but to do it, so we'll get to it. Wow. So I just totally destroyed my my Blue Point frickin' line flaring tool. What a piece of garbage. I didn't even use it that much. Ah, that frickin' irritates me. Ah, scrub the threads clean out of it. What a piece of junk. Pay $160 for a freaking tool from Snap-on and you expect it to freaking last. Damn it. Well, I guess I'm stuck today because I don't have another flaring tool. Damn it. Well guys, the weather's taking a turn for the worst. It's starting to snow and hail, so I'm gonna cover this guy back up. I've contacted the Snap-on guy, so I should be getting a replacement one of those probably Thursday or Friday. He's got to order it in, but anyways, there's where we left off. Didn't even get it totally flared. Sometimes she goes, sometimes she doesn't go. Away she goes. But anyways, that'll do it for today, so thanks for watching guys, and until next time, take care.